So 7-6 is many names for fractions. So hopefully I'm going to provide practice identifying what's called equivalent fractions. Look at the word equivalent. It even looks similar to the word equal for equal fractions. So hopefully by now you have cut up your fraction cards, which are located in the back of your Math Journal 2. So I want you to make sure that you have them cut up, and I want you to write down 2 things that you notice about the cards. And hopefully you're noticing that they're divided into different sections, each one's slightly different, and different numbers of those sections are colored in. On one side of each card, it's divided into equal parts, and some of the parts are shaded. A fraction with the numerator denominator missing appears on the other side of each card. You need to write the missing numerator or denominator in order to name the fractional part of the card that is shaded. For example, if the rectangle is divided into 6 equal parts and 2 of them are shaded, the completed fraction on the back should be 2/6. So here are your parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's divided into 6 sections. How many of those sections are shaded? 1, 2. So that's your numerator. 2/6 of that shape is shaded. Eventually, you're going to start a collection of fraction names, and you're going to find the card with 1 out of 2 parts shaded and the cards with 2 out of 4 parts shaded. And I want you to notice on the back of the cards that a half and 2/4 are not the same card, but the same amount is shaded on each of those cards. So a half and 2/4 are names for the same fraction. I need for you to find all the other cards that are half shaded. Then I want you to turn to the equivalent names for fractions table on page 342. Next to the fraction 1/2 in the table, you need to record all the fractions for the cards that are shaded halfway. Sort the remaining cards into groups that have the same amount shaded, and then record those fractions and each of the groups on the appropriate lines in the equivalent names for those fractions. These pages are pages 342 and 343 in your math journal. When you are done with those and have corrected them in the math journal answer key, please go to the study link and write the letters of the pictures that represent each fraction. So as you notice, number 1 has already shown you that half is what fraction C is, letter C is showing you. So we have written that on the line above. And there are more that need to be written there. Finish this page. Be sure to do the adding and subtracting practice on the bottom. Thank you.